My goal is to help you with one of your Amazon challenges. What do you need help with today, though?
Is that they got a bad review on one of their ASINs on this one. Customers put a bad review saying that the material was toxic for their dog. However, this is not toxic. And actually, we did updated the name here, as you can see, food grade material and can be ingested. So from now on, we can avoid these bad reviews coming from that reason.
Yep, good solution there. Did you try and remove the one negative review?
Shane told me it is very difficult to do that, but still we're pushing that.
3% chance we can actually do that. But what you can do is just say, hey, do you have a friend that could place an order and leave a review? It's a onesie twosie solution right now.
Okay, another option is we suggested to relaunch the product, but he didn't agree because he wants to stick with these reviews here.
There's only one star review, dude. So like just having him get 2 friends to buy this product and leave a 5-star corrects the problem.
These are the new CTR images.
I love that. That's fantastic.
Yeah,
big difference.
We are showing the different size on the dogs, and here you can see. Yeah, I think this is gonna improve.
Absolutely, will make a difference.
What do you think of putting some humans on the photos on this product?
Don't need to with a pet product. When you buy a pet product, the person doesn't matter. In marketing 101, the joke is always, if you can put a puppy or a baby on it, people are gonna buy it. Well, you sell a puppy product. So just fall in on puppies. You've no need for a single person anywhere on this listing.
Okay, great.
All dog every day.
Good answer, thank you. And we also did a discount here because the competitive price is...
You need sales to get sales. Lower the prices so much that it's uncomfortable. Get sales and then slowly raise the price. It's sometimes a difficult conversation with brands. The way that I win that argument is by saying it will cost you less to reduce the price for a few weeks than to spend more on PPC.
Yeah, we could aggressively drop the price for the first weeks, as you say.
For a couple of weeks. Yeah, just say, hey, this is a temporary promotion to get as many sales on the door because you need sales to get sales on Amazon.
Okay.
But your image changes are massive. So try and push those through as quickly as possible because that'll make a big difference.
Actually, yeah, we're going to put as well on the image here that it can be ingested and it is not toxic. So this is on the works. Maybe here on the bottom, a small title here. I don't know. What do you think about adding some more text to this?
I don't think it's necessary. Maybe having a chew toy text, but it's pretty obvious what the product is. You show the dog, you show the product, you show the packaging. Like what keyword would you add?
It can be ingested, this one, food grade material. Yep, this one.
Maybe a single word, just ingestible. I think the phrase food grade would be okay. But yeah, that works. You know, show the client what you're working on, show the value, because they're putting you to task, right? So give them all of the ways that they could grow their sales. Talk about how launching in the States could grow their sales. Talk about how lowering the price can grow their sales. Just keep hitting them with idea after idea.